morning children. I hope class 1 children are watching this video, and I expect before watching this video you must have watched our previous video. First lesson already was done, and those who have not watched still, I would request to them just you go in first video, watch properly. First lesson has been done, first exercise has been done, and I had told also to do your exercise, first exercise. So those who have done, I think they have checked their answers also. So no problem if some questions you might not have solved. Next time when we will meet, that will be discussed. So we will start today our new topic, and that is second lesson, number names and number patterns. So number names already you know, right? And number patterns also few of the things you have done in your previous class. So just again we will see how it to be done. So first I will discuss all the exercise, whole exercise I will discuss. Then we will move and we will know how it should be written. So here you see, you already have got this content. These questions already you have got in your WhatsApp. So you just check, and if you have not got, again I am saying, just you go through this and note down in your copy properly. Pause the video, see this properly, note down in your copy, and then I am discussing how it to be solved, that you solve in your copy. So here you see, our first question is, write the number 1. So 1 has been written. So just you know how it to be written, how it should be written, you know. Write the number 1. So here you will write simply 1. In your copy you will write. So first what will you do? You will write this question, and then in answer you will write 1. So this what I am discussing now, here only I am for your sake, for making you understand, I am writing over here. You no need to write like this. You should write in your square size copy, in square copy, square page, properly should be written. Question first you write, and then you answer that, right? And all the questions continuously should be solved. Here you see second question what you have, write the number 3. So you know how it to be written, 3. So you can write yourself. Write the number 2. Again you can write yourself. Write the number 4. Again you can write yourself. Write the number name for 9. Here this question you see. Question number 5 is what? Write the number name for 9. Here you need to write number name. So you know how it should be written. 9 how to be write? N-I-N-E. So in your copy, in answer you write N-I-N-E, and it should be in cursive writing in very proper way, neat and clean it should be. Okay, next question you see, write the number name for 7. So this question is same as previous question. Here you have written 9, here you need to write 7. So S-E-V-E-N. I think you know how it to be written. So you write yourself. First letter should be capital and rest of the letters should be in small case. Okay. Next question you have, write the number name for 5. So F-I-V-E. You know how it to be written. You write yourself. Then again next question you have to write 6. So up to 8 you can solve like this. Got it? Okay. Next you see, question number 9 you see. In question number 9 what you have? Count backward from 20 to 11. So backward counting you know how it to be written. So you should start from 20. So we will start backward counting. 20. Then what comes? 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Next question what you have? Write the number 12. So again it is very easy. 1, 2, 12. numbers. So this is pattern. So in previous class also you might have done, just to try to understand in what pattern it has been written. So again, for making you understand one very simple pattern I am telling you. Suppose some number has been written 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you tell me what will be the next number. It is very easy because number has been started in 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 simply counting number is there. So here the next number will be 6. So how did you know? Because first number when you start 1, the second number only one more is there. 2 you got. Again you add 1, you got 3. Then you add one more in 3, you will get 4. You add one more in 4, you will get 5. In the same way, if you are adding one more in 5, you will get 6. So likewise, you should understand the pattern, what pattern has been followed in the question. So here you see here, in question number 12 what you have, 3, 5 and rest of the number you should know up to 15. What here it should be written. So just you see, first number you have 3, second number you have 5, means what has been done? 3 in 3 you have added 2 and you got 5. So in the same way, in 5 you add 2, so what number you will get? 7. So here it will be 7. Again in 7 you add 2, what you will get? 9. So again next number you will be having 9. In the same way, 9 plus 2 you will get 11. So here 11 should be written. Next number 11 plus 2 you will get 13. So here 13 it should be written. And again if in 13 you are adding 2, you will get 15. So you understood what pattern has been followed? So in the same way other questions are there. You should know, you will have to find out which type of pattern has been followed and accordingly you will have to solve. So when you are writing answer, this answer is required to be written in your copy and this what thing you have done in rough work you do yourself. So that you will remember later what you have done, how you have got answer. Next you see, fill in the missing numbers 23, 22 and next what numbers will come. So easy it is. This is backward counting. 23, 22, then 21 will come. 20, 19, 18 like that numbers will come. So you should write yourself. Then you have again number you have to write, number name you have to write. This is so easy. Write the number name for 14, again it is so easy. Fill in the missing numbers, here you see. 32, 34. So what has been done? 2 has been added. 32 plus 2, 34 you got. 34 plus 2 it will do. 36 you will get. And again if you are adding 2, what number will come? You write yourself. Then you add 2 more. What number will come? Write yourself. Up to 44 you need to write. Next you see, this again so easy. Number name you have to write for 19. Fill in the missing numbers 4. What number will come? 8. What number will come? Then 12. Then other 2 numbers. So I am not telling you how it will be solved. You think yourself. Because just to see what number should be added over here to get this number, and in this number what you will add so that you will get 8. So this pattern yourself you try to find out and you write. Here you see, fill in the missing numbers again. 43, 42. So hint I am giving you. This is what again backward counting. 43 to 34, just backward counting has been written over here. So you write yourself. Write the number 35 again. This is so easy. 35 you have to write. Here 48 you need to write. fill in the missing numbers 2, 4, then what numbers will come. So easy it is. Only 2 had been added in every numbers and next number you have got. So this you need to fill. Fill in the missing numbers again. Here you see, this is what? Backward counting. 32 minus 1. 31 means backward counting you are doing. 32, 31, 30, 29, 29, 28. Likewise, you need to fill. Okay. Next you see what you have. Write the number name for 47 and write the number name for 29. And again write the number name for 12. So this much questions only you have. So even just now as I told you, if you don't have question, here only you pause the video, write down question and then you try to solve in your copy. And for your help, answer is also there. So if in need for checking your question, you have done correctly or not, you can check by saying this. So this is your answer for all the questions. Okay, next thing is what? Because you might have purchased your copy, so square copy will be needed. You might have started writing also. So I am telling you how it should be written. Because many of you do mistakes, how it should be started don't know. Here suppose this is your square copy. Here name of the chapter should be written. This is your lesson 2. This is what? Your lesson 2. So here you will write chapter 2 or lesson 2. Chapter 2. This is chapter 2. And the name of the chapter is what? Number names and number patterns. Here it should be written. Then here date comes. So date you fill. In what date it has been given. In what date this video is reaching to you. On that day or on what day you are making these notes. On that day you write date also. Then write question like this in cursive writing in proper way. Suppose I have written first question. Write the number 1. So here you will write answer. One place we can leave so that clearly it will be seen. Here simply 1 you write. Nothing is required to be done. Next question. Any number suppose it is there. Write the number name for 9. So how will you write 9? Here you see. Here you will start. One box you can leave and you write so that it will be seen clearly. 9. In this way, in cursive writing, in proper way, you need to write. So just you start writing, start solving questions, complete this lesson, and next day, new lesson we will start. Till then, thank you.